Have you ever wondered why some websites effortlessly turn visitors into loyal customers while others struggle to get any traction? The secret is in what they offer and how they present it. Hey, I'm Faye with Content Creates, and our mission is to elevate your brand, transforming your small business dreams into reality. We're here to guide you through the complexities of brand design so your vision can finally see the light of day. In the digital age, your website is more than just a digital storefront. It's a conversation with your audience. A well-designed website doesn't just share information, it invites interaction, turning casual browsers into engaged customers and boosting your sales performance. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of your website, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support fuels our journey, enabling us to share more knowledge and strategies with you. So let's dive in. So imagine landing on a web page that speaks directly to you. It's clear, compelling, and makes you wonder how you ever got by without their solution. That's the power of a razor-sharp selling point. It's not just about what you offer, it's how you articulate the unique benefits of choosing you over the competition. Tailoring your message to address your audience's specific needs and aspirations can significantly amplify engagement with your website. Writing your message starts with knowing who you're talking to. That's where our free customer persona template comes in. A simple, intuitive tool designed to help you visualize your ideal customer. By understanding their challenges, desires, and decision-making processes, you can create a value proposition that resonates deeply and personally with them. You can download it for free in the description below to start aligning your offers with your audience's expectations. So once you have your audience in mind, you have to create content that resonates so deeply with them that they can't help but engage with you. By identifying and targeting specific market segments, you create content that speaks directly to their heart. It's about understanding their challenges and their desires and presenting your solutions in a way that feels almost tailor-made for them. This content should inspire them to click the link in your bio, check out your website, or eventually buy your product. Engagement is the key to building lasting relationships with your audience. Use social media and personalized email newsletters to not just share content, but to spark and maintain conversations. Each platform offers a unique way to connect, whether it's through behind-the-scenes stories on Instagram, insightful articles on LinkedIn, or exclusive updates through your email newsletters. All of these have an equal chance of bringing people to your website. Make it easy for people in your audience to share your content. Ask them to like and share in your posts. Integrate social sharing buttons on your site and encourage visitors to spread the word about your products, services, and content to amplify your reach and attract new visitors. You want your brand to be as visible as possible to increase website conversion. In addition to creating content, you should also optimize your website for search engines through strategic keyword placement, writing meta descriptions for your images, and using SEO-friendly URLs. By helping your site rank higher in search results, you attract more targeted traffic, potential customers actively searching for the solutions that you offer. To help you plan out your content in advance, consider downloading our Notion content creation dashboard. It's what I use to prepare all of my YouTube scripts, brainstorm my Instagram posts, write my email newsletters, and continue creating content to engage with y'all. You can find the link to download that in the description below. Once you know who you're speaking to and creating content that encourages them to visit your website, it's important to now make sure your website converts. The heart of your website is its homepage. This is where first impressions are formed. Highlight your top products front and center and make sure you have seamless navigation. An intuitive, easy to navigate website encourages encourages visitors to explore more, stay longer, and ultimately engage more deeply with your brand. The devil is in the details, especially when it comes to website design. Strategic use of white space, captivating visuals, and an overarching aesthetic that aligns with your brand identity are important. Your website should not only be visually appealing, but also fast, responsive, and accessible across all devices. These elements work together to create an environment where your visitors feel understood, valued, and ready to take action. Your website should also have all the support and information your customers need to make a choice, incorporating a comprehensive FAQ section, making sure your contact info is easy to find, offering maybe live chat options, and addressing common objections up front in your writing can significantly elevate the user experience. You also want visiting your website to be full of success stories, glowing testimonials, and detailed case studies. This isn't just content, it's proof, social proof that builds trust and credibility. Integrating these elements into your website showcases the impact of your work, offering potential customers a glimpse into the successes others have achieved through your products or services. Remember, trust is in the foundation of conversion. When visitors see others vouching for you, their confidence in making the decision to choose you increases exponentially. The journey from visitor to customer should also be as smooth and straightforward as possible. Clear call to actions and simplified email capture forms are important elements in guiding your audience through this journey. Each call to action should be a beacon, leading your visitors to taking the next step, whether that's subscribing to a newsletter, downloading a free guide, or making a purchase. By clarifying these paths, you minimize distractions and you make it easier for visitors to convert into buyers. The checkout process is your final opportunity to enhance value and satisfaction for your customers. Selling techniques can not only increase the average order value, but also improve the customer experience by offering complementary products or services that genuinely meet their needs. Streamlining the checkout process by reducing steps and asking only for essential information can also significantly reduce cart abandonment rates. In today's global marketplace, also offering multiple payment options is important. Catering to your customers' preferred payment methods reduces friction, enhances convenience, and can dramatically increase conversion rates. From credit cards to digital wallets to any other payment methods that you can, maybe Afterpay. Diversifying your payment options ensures that you're meeting your customers where they are, making the purchase as easy as possible. If you're not sure where to start with your website, our ultimate website design checklist is here to make sure your website ticks all the boxes for success. From loading speed optimizations to mobile responsiveness and user-friendly layouts, this checklist is your roadmap to a website that not only looks great, but also converts visitors into loyal customers. So download your free copy from the description below. Alrighty, let's wrap up. When it comes to turning clicks into conversions, success lies in a blend of understanding your audience, creating content, and optimizing every interaction. Each strategy we've discussed plays an important role in not just attracting customers who believe in your brand, but also converting them into loyal customers who believe in your brand. Definitely implement these strategies, experiment, and don't be afraid to adjust to fit your unique brand's needs. Remember, improvement is a continuous process, and there's always room to enhance your website's performance. For personalized advice or for access to more resources to improve your brand and website, be sure to check out our website or reach out. I'm here to help you bring your visions to life. And don't forget to download our free resources designed to push your website forward. All of those are in the description. And if you found this info useful, please like, comment, and share your thoughts or questions. Your engagement helps us to continue sharing knowledge and help brands like yours thrive. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, with the right strategies and a bit of creativity, the potential of your website is limitless. I'll catch you next Monday. Bye.